The Arpha 100 Smart Deadbolt offers a versatile 5-in-1 keyless entry system, allowing you to unlock your door using an app, fingerprint, password, EKey, or mechanical key. With full app control and remote access, you can easily generate a variety of access codes and monitor real-time logs for enhanced security. The advanced AI fingerprint recognition ensures near-perfect accuracy, unlocking your door in just 0.3 seconds. And the auto lock feature provides peace of mind by securing your door automatically. Installation is straightforward and DIY friendly, fitting most United States standard doors and offering a universal fit with included video guidance. Constructed from durable zinc alloy with a sleek black finish, this smart lock combines style and strength, backed by an 18-month assurance and lifetime technical support. This smart deadbolt is an excellent addition for those seeking modern security solutions with its comprehensive features and reliable performance.